How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today I'm going to start a new series. A lot of people have been wanting some unboxing of the vintage kits I got, and I got a crap load, so I'm going to start a series where right now, I got a little bit going on the group builds and stuff, but in between that, I'm going to try to do unboxings for everybody. I got a lot of unboxings to do, so let's start this series off. It'll be my vintage unboxing videos, or a look in the box, or whatever you want to call it. But this is what I'm going to start off with, and this is the Fire and Rescue Ambulance by Johan, and it's 1/25 scale. You can see the side of the box. Looks like it's got the stretcher in there, little jump seats. Here's the other side of the box. You can build a fire rescue ambulance or independent version, number GC-500. Here's the other side of the box. Two great versions. Let's see. Johan Model Incorporated, Detroit, Michigan, made in the USA. And that's a beautiful, beautiful box art right there of the actual built model. So, let's open this thing up. Move everything out of the way. Let's start with the instructions. Alright. So what we have here is a fire and rescue ambulance. Step 1 is the engine. Step 2 would be engine and front and rear suspension. Step 3 is going to be the interior. Got your dash, your pedals, got your front seats, got your little partition right here with the cabinets. Let's see, you got your little jump seats right here. Looks like you got some oxygen tanks up there. Step 4, that is your back door. Step 5, these instructions are a little bit wrinkled, guys. You can see putting in the radiator and the firewall and the battery and the interior tubs, some glass, rearview mirror. And then step number 6, I guess, is pretty much your final assembly. Your grill, your hood, all your lights, your bumpers, and then putting together your stretcher over here. Alright, that's that. Take a look at some of these clear parts. Here's the front windshield to it. It's come off. That's the only thing off of it right there. But you can see your side glass. You got your 2-door glass, your windshield, and your back glass. 2 headlights. I guess that's headlights. I don't know. It might be something else. Let's look here and see. Let me get inside this box, guys. Here's the decals. It says Suburban Ambulance, Detroit Fire Department. There you go. There's that. Let's see. Let's start off with this. You can see here, that's your back door. The inner of your back door. I guess that's your back door surround. The jump seats. I'm not for sure what these are without looking at it. And there's one off here, but it's in the box. There's that. Here's the next gear. And then you got your dash. I don't know if you can see the detail on that dash or not. Steering wheel. Front suspension. Got your air breather. Your hood. Looks like some license plates right there. Good engraving on them. Battery. Some of your wheel backs and stuff, and the other parts are in there too. Got your Cadillac engine. Looks like your radiator got a lot of flash on it. But it is molded in white. You never know what you're going to get with Johan. Let's see here. The next tree is your intake and heads. You got your exhaust manifolds, and then you got your fan. You got your belts and pulleys. You got your front seat. That looks like the partition right there, little cabinet partition right there between the drivers. Let's see. You got your lights that go up on top. Looks like, I don't know if that's tail lights or what. I don't know for sure without looking at the instructions. This here is part of your stretcher. You can see the blanket kind of pulled back there. These are loose parts in the box. This here's your firewall. Got your master cylinder, your heater thing there, blower engine, whatever you want to call that thing. And this here just looks like some of the accessories that go on the inside. Looks like a walkie-talkie, or not walkie-talkie, what do you call that, a CB, maybe? And then the extra jump seat that's fell off. Part of your suspension stuff that's fell off. Let's see. That other little part that fell off, I'm not for sure what that is. You got your chrome tree here. Very bright chrome for as old as this kid is. Very, very bright. You can see the light reflecting off of it really nice. Got your grill and your hubcaps. Get a black wash on those. Got your valve covers, your headlights. Here's a piece that's come off right here. It looks like one of the sirens or something. I'm not for sure what that is. Then get your tires out of here. Of course, you got your white wall tires. Now, I know this is an older version because I've had many of the versions where it was molded in red and they didn't have the white wall tires in them. That was getting later in the 80s to where they were getting cheaper, and later 90s or the early 90s before they went under. And let's see here. Here is your chassis. You can see it's got your pipes, everything molded in. That's pretty much typical Johan. And another way to tell that this is an older issue is molded in white. Here's your inside interior tub. That is one long rig right there. Now here's the body. Big old beautiful Cadillac body. I'm not for sure what year model this Cadillac would have been. Any of y'all know, tell me in the description. There's the top of it. Excellent condition. A little bit of flash. Of course, you know Johan, they were bad about flash. Real bad. You know, I used to pick these Johan kits up when I was a kid back in the late 70s, early 80s, on through the mid 80s, and then after that I kind of got out of models. I got chasing girls and stuff like that, and models kind of went on the back burner till after I got married and started it back up in the early 90s. But Johans were my favorite. When I was a kid, I could take my allowance money, or if I mowed grass or whatever, you know, I could go buy a Johan kit for about $4 or less, just depends on where it was at, to where a regular AMT, MPC Revell kit were $5. So they were a bargain at the time, and now some of the hardest to get models you can get now, you know. So, alright guys, if you like my unboxing, please like, share, and subscribe. And like I said, there's going to be many more of these to come. I might not be able to do it once a week, but probably once every other week I'll try to do a vintage unboxing. And so if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.